Okie dokie. Hello here, Internet and the rest of the world. We're out here walking around Ralph again. Every time I pass this place, I get a compulsion to stop. So today I made a pilgrimage to come here. This family has built something really unique as an expression of their faith. And you just have to see it and not be in a rush to appreciate it. They built a family chapel, and bless their hearts, that's the way to build a family chapel. They built it to the theme of Jesus' tomb. Now they invite everybody to come in here. And there's a sign-in sheet when you get inside. And a few years ago, I don't know much history about this place, but I do know that around 2016 or 2019, they had an arsonist who came in here and loaded the place with cotton and tried to burn it down. So they regrouped and reloaded and rebuilt. So God bless them. I'm going to get Heathcliff here to give me a little bit broader view of the overall thing. They have a beautiful, huge cross out here that they put up. So God bless them for doing this. I brought a special cross that's been blessed by ordained clergy. I'm going to leave this here whenever I leave today, and I'm going to sign in and say a little prayer. And God bless all of y'all that follow me. We'll get some broader views of this in just a minute. Come here, Heathcliff. Good job, guy. Okie dokie. This is try to get a little broader view. This is broader view too, just to make sure I get a nice broad view of the little chapel and the cross. Come on back in here, Heathcliff. You're doing a good job. Okie dokie. We'll try to get this done. Get a zoom out of the front of it. And hopefully we'll get it done before any trucks or anything else come by. We had one come by a while ago, and Heathcliff almost went for a ride. Come on back in here, guy. Good job. We're going to do an orbit here and see how that works out. Well, he did climb. That was okie dokie. I'm surprised Heathcliff will hover in here, but this is the inside of the family chapel. It's a beautiful little place. Feel free to come here and pray, or just meet. Maybe have a family prayer meeting. Or do whatever. They opened it to the public, and I think that's very special. It shows an expression of faith. You got to be willing to shake your fist in the face of evil, and when time comes, these are the places they'll come after. So God bless these people for doing this, and come here, Heathcliff. Let's go outside and get a broader view.